You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names that too many people get wrong, including from Mandarin or Chinese, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Loads to learn here. Tsinghua, 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 as in there's a famous university named that way. Easy, Tsinghua, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, it helps me immensely, and thanks for watching. Check out those other videos in the channel. Thanks. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.